Hey guys, an update on Chevron. I'm not gonna bother myself with the micro here. I'm just gonna zoom out and look at it from the 4-hour time frame. I have a box here prepared. So additional FIPS that I should add, meaning I have to add the next blue FIP to the upside because we are now at the 1.786. We have respected it almost on the dollar, indicating to me that the labeling that we have is correct. Okay. The next one above it is the 2 FIP. So I'll remove the rest, or I'll keep the 786 here. And the 2 FIP is at 220.37, okay? Then locally we can see here we're climbing higher on lower volume, okay? Indicating to me that, look, this might be a move that's about to end. That's the second thing. And then third thing is that just after the close, there was a pump on the S&P and a dump on the oil chart. And I read that, the US is proposing a 15-point plan for Iran to, have a 1-month ceasefire or maybe a permanent ceasefire, permanent deal. So that's now the second, I guess, green light this week for de-escalation. Monday it was Trump saying that they won't bomb the power plants. Now this, you might say it's fake news, it's manipulation, blah blah blah. But I think I called the move up from Monday on Friday already, and I've been warning about this chart that it's in a risky zone now, okay? It has been going very nicely, but RSI is overbought here. Yep, it can stay here, but it's very, very overbought, okay? Yeah, there is no bearish divergence here locally, I know. Also, volume on the daily here locally is good. Okay, the last few candles have been on lower volume, but that's better to see on the 4-hourly. That's why we just have the next FIP here. Should this want to go up more, we can focus on 220, okay? But at some point, this will have to correct into this wave 4, and then the support starts at 192.91, okay? And once I have a confirmed top, I can add FIP times, comparing the wave 2 in time with then the wave 4 to give us an indication on what to expect time-wise from this correction, okay? But that's for when I have a top confirmed. So yeah, also the oil price is, or like was dropping earlier after close, if I can find it. Nothing is confirmed yet of the deal, but this to me now looks more that it's gonna take these lows, okay? And then move even towards this slope maybe, and then attack lower prices, okay? With that, if the oil price drops a little bit, I think then Chevron could also maybe find the top, okay? Ultimately, Chevron is a very strong stock, I think, has been a very good one in the past few months, and also was very obvious that this move was coming. This multi-year consolidation here, and then here we had a move up, a very clear 3-wave move to the downside, and then strength from the 0.5 FIP, and then since Venezuela, as Chevron being the sole operating American firm in Venezuela as well, we had a massive pump here of 42% with very clear price action that indicated this would happen, okay? Even before Venezuela happened, it was very obvious on the chart that this pump was gonna come. That's my lesson learned for myself. This was very obvious, and it was very obvious that some other sectors needed a correction. For me, I was like, I don't need to sell it and shift it to Chevron or some other safer asset. If I had done that, I had now more money to buy back. So that's my lesson for next time. Hopefully, if I can control my emotions better and my greed better, I can do that. Temporary pivot into safer assets. after a major run. Okay. And then yeah, I explained the whole thesis. It's still the same. If this corrects, together with oil calming down and the de-escalation, I think money will flow more into the tech sector again. I expect the tech sector, for especially Nvidia, to make one more low still. Meta can move a little bit lower. I'm expecting a low soon though. Then Apple and Google as well. So you see what I'm talking about. Once this starts, I think we'll have on the risk assets. Okay, this is also risk asset, but you know what I mean. A better run on those. Okay. That's it. So for now, 220 is the next one after 211. To the downside, 192, 183, 175. And the invalidation is the 0.618 at 168.11. I don't think we're going to get there. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.